Art. Okay, so now I can actually do it. So, do I like talk and like make a video?
Yep, because you want to hear the difference in quality.
So first we're gonna jump across these, and the time is running out anyways. So we're gonna jump, and it's really hard on computer. Okay, now it's a new round, so I'm gonna go up here, and this one I don't like the lasers because you have to be very, very careful with them. So you have to like know when they're coming. So I did it. Next thing is this one. I hate this one like a lot. It's really, really hard. And then once you get over here, then it would be a lot easier because there's only 2 more. Oh, I almost fell off. Jump. We did it. Actually, no, we didn't do it yet. We're like really, really close to doing it, which I did it. Now we have this one. Ooh, this one I know a cheat. I think go and shift. Yes, it's a lot easier
Jumping on that guy's head?
Computer. No, I was just jumping like across. Oh!
Oh, it cut your head off!
Yes.
Uh-oh.
That's what happens. So let's just do it all again. Let's try to go really fast. Speed, speed.
If you hit those lasers, what does it do?
You die when you hit the lasers. Like my head falls off again.
Did it cut your neck off with the laser?
Yeah.
Jeez.
For that, yeah.
Oh!
I always hit my head. I don't know why. And it really hurts. Do it again. Speed. Ooh. Gotta do it again. Gotta do it again. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Oh, snap! Look at that thing.
Let's jump and jump and jump. Let's go speed. Ooh. 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 I did it. Now let's go speed. I just gotta wait like 20 years. Oh, I almost failed. But I didn't fail. That's the thing about this game. Full of regret. And full of not good choices. Okay, one more. I did it. We want to get as high. This is that one part where you can just jump and you can just cheat. Sometimes it doesn't work.
Just jump on that guy's head.
Yeah. Oh no! That's what I died last time.
Okay, I think that's good. And then you can stop them now, and then we'll compare the two.
Stop screen record. Stop video.